Hi, this is Dan Frio, the rate update. Today we're going to talk about jumbo mortgages, and I'm just going to briefly explain to you what kind of they are and what rates look like and how my rates are among the best in the entire country. So don't go away. We'll be right back. Starting today, our normal loan limits just went up on conventional financing. Why, Dan, are you telling us this? Well, because loan limits now have been increased to $625,000. So just last week, if you were looking for a $550 or $560 or $70,000 loan, you'd be jumbo. Well, today it's not. Loan limits have been increased on conventional financing all the way up to $625,000. So now, what if you have a loan that exceeds that amount? Well, you're into the jumbo categories. The rates change, the guidelines change, a whole bunch of things change. And if you've looked for a jumbo mortgage in the last probably 2 years, it's been really difficult. We've streamlined this process, and we're also helping you guys with mortgage rates in that realm. So let's get on to basically what I want to talk about today is where mortgage rates are on jumbo rates and where mine are. So let's go over that right now. So why do I bring this up? Well, because jumbo home loan originations are pre-2008 levels, meaning there are more and more and more jumbo mortgages out there every day. And these people are going to find it really difficult to find a loan, first of all, and then it's really competitive when it comes to mortgage rates. So I just want to let you guys know we have a streamlined process coming into effect within the next 48 hours. It's going to make it much more simpler for you to get pre-approved and for you to get your loan through our process. So I'm going to have that video probably Monday or Tuesday of next week to walk you through our whole program on how you apply for a loan and how it's made much more easier with our new platform. But the biggest thing here is, where do you go for the best financing with a jumbo mortgage? Well, I'm going to do your shopping for you. The first thing I did was I went to bankrate.com. I plugged in the parameters, and here's what popped up. So I want to just be transparent behind all this. Here's places where you can go and get that mortgage. Quicken Loans, 3.25 is their rate, no points. InterFirst, 3.375, no points. Better Mortgage, never heard of them, but they have 3.375 and no points. Then we go to the next thing. It's NerdWallet, and I find these for you guys, so I help you shop. It comes up Better Mortgage, 3.25. Is that the same over here? 3.25. It's weird, ain't it? Better Mortgage here is 3.375. You go over here and it's 3.25. What is it? Don't know. Chase, 3.261. Fees, $1,100. Central Bank, 3.375. North Point Bank, 3.625. Rocket Mortgage, which is Quicken Loans, 3.638. Well, if you go over here, 3.638, they were 3.25 there. What is it? Okay, it's very confusing. Even for me, I'm a lender. And I go out there and I'm like, okay, who am I competing with? And you go to their different websites and they're different. Don't know why. Call me and you're going to get one rate. Okay, so let's go over all that. The norm here was about 3.25, 3.375. Some of these had some points, some of them didn't have points, but let me just show you where I am. Okay, let me be as transparent as I can. This is how we find out what rates we can offer for today. So what I'm going to do is let's go back to this parameters here. It was a $1 million home with 20% down with the 740 score. So I'm going to go into my parameters here. And 20% down means I need an $800,000 mortgage. And the home purchase price is $1 million. Now, guys, just to let you know, don't tell anybody, this is behind the scenes. No lender is going to show you their real rates because their job is kind of upsell you and add fees and all the other things. So don't tell anybody I'm showing you this. All right? So go back into it. And I'm going to plug in all the basic information in here. Credit score, I'm going to put in a 780 credit score, and my debt ratio is 25%. And then where do I live? I'm just going to put that in for now because it doesn't change based on where you live. And then I'm going to go down through here. There's just a few things I have to click on my end to do this, to get you the jumbo rates. But I'm showing you this basically live, okay? So what you're going to see here when this pops up is we underwrite for a lot of different banks. And those banks, basically what they do is they just collect payments on our behalf, but we are the lender. So you're going to see throughout here, there's Wells Fargo, Alliant, Morgan Stanley, AIG, Bayview, US Bank, and all these companies. Basically, we underwrite on their behalf, and then they just collect payments for us because we in a lot of these programs, we don't have the servicing ability. But it doesn't mean anything on your end because we are the lender, we underwrite it, and we will fund that loan. So you can go back through here and see, okay, the norm rate out there was 3.25 to 3.375. My rate today, 3.25. We will actually give you back a credit in this situation. We would be giving you a credit back for $1,640. Now, if you went to 3.375, you'd actually be getting $4,640 credit back. Okay, let me explain this rate sheet to you, okay? So I'll zoom in here. And basically what you're seeing here is these are our rates, okay? You're going to see a whole bunch of numbers over here. Let me just make this as clear as I can for you. This is the rate. Over here, this is, if it's a positive number, this is how much it would cost you to get that rate. If there's a negative number, this will be a rebate check cut back to you to use it any way you want to, okay? So you can see through here, at 3% rate, it would cost you $4,300. 3 1/8 costs you $1,300. 3 1/4, you're getting back $1,640. 3.375, you're getting back $4,640. So let's go over to these and just compare. 3.2, okay, 3.25. Where am I? 3.25. You're getting $1,600 back. They're actually charging you a fee of $1,150. This place, 3.375. Nothing. But it's not costing you anything, but you're not getting anything back. 3.375, you're getting over $4,000 back with me. And you can see, look at this, Rocket Mortgage, 3.638, 3.625 with me, you'd get almost $10,000, okay? So that's all I really want to say to you guys in regards to my rates. Just to show you guys I'm as transparent as I can. I found on the website mortgage rates for jumbo programs, 2 different sites. Then I showed you my rate sheets in the background. Some people are going to say, Dan, this is just basically a commercial. Okay, take it as a commercial. It's educational. I'm showing you a few things. One, if you paid attention, the same lender on different websites has different rates. Why is that? So if you found them on one website and not the other, could you have gotten a better rate if you found them on the other? That doesn't make any sense. The next thing is, where do I compare? I give you all this advice. You know I have 12 loan officers in the background helping assist you guys with all your questions and basically being on call 24/7 for you guys. And our computer system is flawless. It's one of the best in the industry. So that's my video for today. I hope you find value in this. Now, how do you find out more about me and how do you reach out to us to say, Dan, how do I find out, what exact rate you can get me and, what can I be approved for and any and all of your mortgage questions? Well, the best way to do that is to go to therateupdate.com. You're going to see that here. And 2 ways to get a hold of us. But if you want to apply, just click the apply now button and you're on your way. Most people want to talk or get some questions answered. How do you do that? Well, call us. 844-775-LOAN. Pretty simple. Or if you're watching this in the evenings, on weekends, you can't get us or you can't talk right now, click here, schedule an appointment. It'll open up our calendar and give you all the days and times we have available. Click, let us know what day and time you have available for you and how you want to do this. Do you want to do it by Zoom or do you want to do it by a phone call? I love Zoom because we can meet you guys. You can go over my information on my computer. I can maybe look at some documents on your end, but you determine that. And on that day at that time, we'll be reaching out to you to make sure we answer any and all your questions. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you find value in my channel. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.